Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So my name is Sarah, it's nice to meet you, and of course if you're new to my channel then welcome to my channel. Alright, so let's start, but before we do, go ahead and click subscribe down below if you haven't already, and join the Kwak fam. I mean, why not? And also click on the notification bell, that way every time I post you'll know right away when I post a video, and you don't have to go searching around, where is Sarah's video, you know what I mean? So go ahead and click on that bell, and let's get started. Alright, so today we're doing, I guess, kind of like an unboxing type of deal, but I mean, I already know, you know, what the product is, if that makes sense. So anyways, I ordered a new hairdryer. So first of all, the hairdryer that I have is, give me 1 second, go grab it real quick. Alright, so here is the hairdryer that I use currently. It's by Conair. It's Conair 1875. It's very tiny, so it's portable. It folds up and down, alright? And, yeah, it's just a very simple hairdryer. But, you know, I've learned that there's a reason why hairdryers are priced at different levels. And this one here, I mean, no shade on Conair, because I do love their brands, but, you know, it's just more on the affordable side, if you will. But I decided to, you know, splurge a little bit, and decided to try out this salon dryer. Now, this is called the 1875W Salon Dryer, super fast for a silky smooth result. And the company is called Jinri Paris Professional. So here's the box, alright, and it says 50% dries hair faster up to 50%, which is, you know, a big difference. Alright, so let's go ahead and open the box up. The side looks like that, if you're curious. Alright, so before I show you the products, I saw a couple of reviews on Amazon to see if I really want to get it or not, and I watched a few YouTube videos, read a few reviews here and there, and it just seemed like an overall really good product. I mean, of course there was like a little dabble of bad reviews, but you gotta just make your own judgment and decide if you want this product or not. Just make your own judgment, make your own call, and decide if you want it or not, you know what I mean? So I guess my video is just adding on to that review. Alright, so in the box you get a little instruction book. Okay, so let's just open this up real quick. It's good to read the instruction. Alright, so in the box it also comes with the hairdryer, obviously, nicely bubble wrapped. So let's go ahead and unwrap that to show you guys. And here is what it looks like, okay? That looks really sleek and pretty darn expensive, alright? I think it looks really nice. It feels nice. It's not like that, you know, kind of like that cheap plasticky feel. It feels really nice. The buttons are right here. We'll get into that real quickly, just showing you what the products are in the box. It also comes with a little styling pick, alright? And it also has a concentrator, which is this right here. And last but not least, it has the finger diffuser. Alright, so the top button is for the cool shot button. The one below it is the temperature setting. So if you want your temperature to be low, medium, high, that's where you click around. The one right below it is the speed setting. So like, you know, the blast of the wind, if you will. That's what it is. Alright, so here we go. Alright, so I also noticed that this hair blow dryer comes with like a little Velcro, you know, cord wrapper, if you will. So you can keep your cords nicely, you know, packed and in place, which is nice. Can you guys see that? Let me undo this and show you. So see, it has like a little Velcro thing right here, so you can like wrap your cord around and, you know, make sure it doesn't like get all over the place, which is nice. Alright, so let's actually try this out. I know my hair is all done and dry, but we're just going to see what it looks like to turn it on and push the cool shot button, all that good stuff. Alright, so I have it plugged in, and we are going to just see what happens. So to turn it on, the bottom button, obviously, alright, so let's do it on low. That's not that bad. Alright, let's do it on high. Not that bad too. All right, so let me see. Let me see the temperature. Low. Oh, you definitely... Yeah, you definitely feel a difference in the temperature. Definitely, definitely. All right, let's see if the cool shot button works nicely. Yep. Alright, so the cool shot button works nicely as well. Let's just try this on my hair, even though my hair is already done. I feel like it made my hair look even better. Ooh, beautiful. Alright, so I noticed when you turn it on, if you see from the inside, did you guys see that? That's pretty neat. I think the red light is actually the integrated infrared light. That's what it is. All right. So, and then right on top, when you turn it on, that blue light right there is the LED ionic light. So those are probably what makes the hair drying process quicker if I had to take a guess. Yeah, so that is the unboxing. A very quick video. If you guys want to see me actually use this product when my hair is wet and see how fast it dries, or maybe even like compare it to the Conair that I have. You know, I know this is like a mini version, but it's still a hair dryer nevertheless. So if you want to even see a comparison when my hair is wet, then go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If it gets like 100 likes, I will go ahead and do that. You know, so comment down below, let me know if you want to see a comparison video, and also give it, you know, give it a thumbs up, get it to 100 likes, and I'll go ahead and do that video. And yeah, alright guys, that is pretty much it for the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this like quick unboxing video type thing. If you want to see more videos like this when I do unboxings, then go ahead and like this video and give it a thumbs up. And yeah, that's it guys. Alright, I guess it's time to wrap it up. Alright guys, that is pretty much it for the video. And oh, and just look right here, I did like a makeup tutorial on it, so which will be posting before I post this video, hopefully. I'm not sure how I want to do this, before or after, not really too sure, but I did a look on this. If you like it, go watch it. If I haven't posted it yet, then go watch it in the future. And that's pretty much it guys. Alright, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, a wonderful night wherever you are. I'll talk to you next time. Alright, bye!